porterhouse, mashed potatoes, corn, and we got some veggies cooking up in there. But it's Thanksgiving, and we're up on the New York, Massachusetts border. The Loves. The closest big town would be like Springfield, Mass, or Pittsfield. Pittsfield's only like 18-minute drive. But this is Thanksgiving dinner. Kind of got stuck up here to the Northeast the last couple of weeks, but making the best of it. All right. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. It all came together really nice. Okay, once again, goodbye.